Hey folks, myself Akhil from Develop Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to create AI talking avatar videos in minutes. First, they are YouTube channels which are gaining thousands of subscribers without showing faces. They are not only gaining followers on YouTube but also on Instagram and various other social media platforms. And making these AI avatar videos is so easy now using the best AI video generator free AI tools. Keep watching the video, and by the end of it, you will also be able to create animated talking AI avatar videos in minutes like these. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to create AI talking avatar. And for this, we will be using VidAU. VidAU can generate viral video ads with AI actors, making it easier to get started. It can create URL to videos, create face swap videos, translate videos, create AI avatar videos, AI subtitle translate videos, and subtitles remove videos in minutes. Here are many more VidAU AI tools that we can use to create videos. And here are the lifelike AI avatars as video actors that we can use to create talking AI avatar animation free. They are so realistic, but each of them are AI avatars. Wow, that's simply insane. Let's get started to know how to use VidAU to create AI talking avatar video, and for that simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit VidAU official website. Now click get started. Here we can create VidAU account using Google account, or can also create an account using email. As I already have created an account, I will sign in using that. Once we are logged in, now here we have VidAU Studio Creative Center. From here we can create AI videos for YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook or TikTok. At top we get the option to create videos with link. VidAU supports product links from Amazon, Shopee and Etsy. Next we have popular tools like Create My Avatar, Face Swap, Description to Video, Video Avatar, Background Removal, and next we get so many templates that we can use to generate AI videos. This helps creating AI videos much easier. So folks, we can do so much with VidAU, but today I wanna show you all how to create AI talking avatar video. And for that, here we are back on VidAU Studio Creative Center, and now click AI avatar. Here it opens AI avatar toolbox. From here we can create my video avatar or can use any AI avatar. We have so many of these free AI avatars that we can use to generate AI videos. Simply preview, and if you like the avatar, then click create video to get started to generate avatar video. Now from here we can choose avatars. We can change any of these AI avatars from here as well. Next we can select the language in which we want to create video. VidAU supports many languages like French, Italian, Japanese and more. So you can choose any of these as per your requirement. I am selecting to create a video in English. Thereafter we can choose aspect ratio. So if you want to create AI avatar videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, then you should choose 9:16 ratio, or want to create AI videos for YouTube, then you should choose 16:9 ratio. Now the most important part, the script. Here we can write our own script, and VidAU will convert text to audio while we render our AI video. Now once we have written a script, selected AI avatar and language, we are ready to create AI avatar video. And to create one, click generate avatar video. VidAU starts AI generating the video, and once done, here it opens a VidAU avatar video editor. From here we can change different aspects of the AI avatar video, can also preview it.
Easy to create AI animated avatar videos using the best AI video editing tools.
Wow, is not that amazing? Well first, we can also change script from here, or can also change AI avatar as well. We can also change voice to any of these options available. The current voice is so nice. Let's not change it, but you can try any of these, and it's good to have more options. Now thereafter we can also enable subtitle with animation. Simply click on this to enable subtitles for AI avatar video, and then next we can change the script from here as well. For subtitles we can select font, you can choose any of these. We can also change its size, so let's make it bigger. Next we can change subtitle text alignment, center looks nice. Next we can choose animation type and style for subtitles. This looks so nice, so let's select this one. Now after we are ready, we can save project from here or can also render video. Let's export our AI avatar video, and for that click render. VidAU starts to render video and we can click on this my content button to check it out. Now this opens a VidAU my content tab, and here we can see the progress. Once video gets rendered, here we get option to download. Can also share it with others via link or can also delete it. Let's download it, and for that click download. Once download completes, let's preview it.
Do you know it is so easy to create AI animated avatar videos using the best AI video editing tools?
Wow, is not that amazing? Same way you can use any of these AI avatars to create talking AI avatar videos using VidAU. Well, not only this, we can also create our own AI talking avatar videos using this method. The best part, there is so much more we can do with VidAU, like swap face in video with AI online for free with the trending face change AI video editing tools. And there are many best AI tools for YouTube videos. Want me to cover any of these AI tools in future videos? Then do let me know in comments. Also share which VidAU video editing AI tool you like most, and don't forget to try it out. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next. Today I wanna show you all how to transfer Android data to iOS without losing data. How to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without data loss.